Hey guys, welcome back to another video where I'll be talking about the 10x system by Tabby D. Okay, so I am back on her Facebook group that is on the 10x income system. Okay, guys, as you can see, there are only 840 members as of making this video, guys. So there's not much people here, and some of you might think that's actually a bad thing, but no, it's a good thing. And let me explain why. Um, that pretty much means it's low saturated. And when a affiliate program is low saturated, you're going to have a lot easier time promoting this and getting commissions, guys, which is huge. That is why a lot of people who are joining this are able to get sales within just a couple of days, guys, because there's literally no competition. And that's kind of why I decided to make this YouTube channel, guys, and make videos talking about my experience promoting this program. As of right now, I actually don't have my link yet because I'm still waiting for that to come. It's taking like up to 72 hours. So still waiting for that link to come in, guys. But there's very little competition on here right now. So I'm going to slowly scroll through the group so you can kind of see some of the posts because this is a private group that I joined a few days ago. I think it's only accessible for the members inside of the program. But yeah. Um, so one of the issues that some people are having, not everyone, but a few people, including myself, is it's taking a little longer for links to come in. I actually basically order my link a few days ago, and once you're in the program, you don't have to like buy the link or something like that. I just literally ordered it because Tabby D, the way she sets things up, um, you have to wait a few days for your link. Once you go through the training, you have to order it and you have to like link your Stripe or PayPal account to it. It's some technical stuff that's happening with it. But yeah, that's kind of some of the issues that's happening with me, a couple of people, a couple of other the new members in this program. Just a very small, very minor issue, but it should come in shortly. The support's very good. They handle things very professionally. But that is a small issue, and that's why I'm talking about it, guys. Because as I'm reviewing this 10x system, even if it's something little or something big, I'm going to talk about it because I'm here to review this and give an honest opinion about it. So yeah, I definitely think that was worth mentioning. Um, and people who have been here just like a couple of days are making commissions that are actually up to like $300, guys. So that's just awesome. Um, this is a paid program. It does cost some money to join, and maybe some of you out there are still using free stuff, which is good for starting out. But once you promote free things, those are like lower ticket commissions, guys. And again, and especially for people who are working online or or entrepreneurs in general, time is money, guys. So when I'm spending money to promote something that's actually going to give me a bigger ROI, I definitely think that's worth it versus promoting free things and getting like tiny commissions that are just like a few dollars, guys. Because like three commissions on here, they're just $300. That's $900, guys, with only three sales. Versus if you're on ClickBank or maybe just promoting things on Amazon or whatever you're doing, getting lower ticket commissions, which is good starting out because maybe you don't feel like investing in anything, especially when you're new to something like this, guys. But Tabby D makes things in her program very easy and very user friendly for beginners, guys. If you're not the most tech savvy person, don't even worry about it because she makes things super user friendly, guys. So we do have a lot of people who are succeeding on here, who actually used to be, not